Hi, shalom. This video is going to contain mentions of religious extremism and coercive control. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, today I am going to talk about a facet of the homeschooling topic that many people in the regular world probably don't think about much. Parental withholding of legal documents and identification. I don't know whether or not this was happening in the particular community I was in, but I wouldn't be at all surprised if it did. This is a really complex issue and something many well-intentioned regular people may not fully understand. The Coalition for Responsible Home Education has more info on this and accounts of survivors that this has happened to, so I'll put that link down in the description. I think I've mentioned briefly that many of these families do home births. I know that some women in the regular world choose to have a home birth, but that choice is not made with the intent of keeping their kids off the grid, and they still get a birth certificate for the baby. These parents often don't get birth certificates for their children, so therefore they don't get a social security number. So as far as the government is concerned, these kids don't even legally exist. There are a few reasons these parents might do this. One is extreme distrust of the government. They're afraid that the government could do evil things to their children if they have any kind of information about them. They also want to cover their tracks so the government can't get wind if they're abusing their children. They don't want the government getting wind of that. There's something important you need to understand here. These parents and regular parents have vastly different ideas of what it means to be a successful parent. Regular parents call it a success when they raise happy, healthy children who grow up and become their own person and do their own thing. Parents in these circles regard all of these things as failures. If their child has access to identification and other legal documents, they could leave. This is the last thing they want, particularly for children who are assigned female at birth. Think about this for a minute. Think about how problematic it would be if you had no way to legally prove who you are. You need a social security number to do anything. Get a driver's license, get a passport, fill out any kinds of forms relating to employment, apply for college or vocational training. You need to be able to prove who you are for anything to happen. Some survivors have even had to take their parents to court to get access to their documents. I wish I was kidding, but unfortunately, I'm as serious as a heart attack. This is a huge problem in this world. If you are having issues with document withholding, get in touch with CRHE. They are well aware of this issue. If you do have any form of legal documents, hold them in a death grip. Make copies if you can. As for birth certificates, obviously having the original is ideal, but even having a copy will get you 1,000 times further than having no way to prove who you are. Admittedly, I don't have any real expertise on this. I'm not a lawyer or anything, but CRHE can tell you where to go from here much more so than I can. So please get in touch with them if you're a victim of document withholding. As said, there are no quick and easy solutions to this one, but CRHE is run by people with much more knowledge than I have on this subject. So I'm going to post the link to their website down below. I think I covered everything I wanted to talk about with this topic. If you have any additional knowledge on the subject and want to help, please reach out to CRHE. We need all the help we can get on this one. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.